Now we'll be looking at an important topic in accounting, the double entry accounting system. What are the fundamental principles that undermine uh, the double entry system? The double entry system proposes that every transaction involves two parties or two accounts. Because two accounts are involved, it is often referred to as the dual entity of transactions. The fundamental principle for this dual entity of transactions states that for every debit entry, there must be a corresponding credit entry. And for every credit entry, there must be a corresponding debit entry. The two accounts, one must be debited, the other must be credited. What are the characteristics of the double entry system? Number one, it involves two parties or two accounts. The second characteristic is that there is a giver and there is a receiver. The third characteristics is that there is exchange of equal amount. The business is treated as a separate entity from the owners. Then the next characteristics is that there are dual aspects. Every transaction is always divided into two aspects. The last characteristic is under double entry system, it is expected that the total of all the debit sides will be equal to the total of all the credit side. So that is why when you see a trial balance of a business, the debit side is equal to the credit side. Now, the double entries is what permits or what allows accountants or the accounting records to be kept and what allows different accounts to show up in the accounting record. Okay? So accounts can generally be classified under two main headings. Accounts can either be personal accounts or impersonal accounts. So what are the examples of those personal accounts? You have the trade receivables, which are formerly known as the debtors, and the trade payables, which are formerly known as creditors. Double entry accounting system. Every transaction is always divided into two aspects. You have the left side and the right side. We normally use a T format to explain. The left side of the T is regarded as the debit side, while the right side is always regarded as the credit side.